Hello students, welcome back to online class from LPM Public School in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I am Zara Mirza. This is your subject teacher of computer. I hope you are good and healthy at your home. So students, I have already explained chapter number 3 in my previous video. So students, everyone take out your computer book and open chapter number 3. And the topic is operating a computer. So students, you have already read this chapter in previous classes. So students, you know very well this is a chapter number 3 and the topic is operating a computer. So students, you know very well what is a computer. A computer is an electronic machine. A computer is an electronic machine, but it is not switched on and off like any other electronic machine. There is a proper method to turn a computer on and off. Okay? A computer on and off. Okay? So students, I have already explained about this chapter. What is the operating computer, what is the computer, okay, and what is the method of starting a computer. So students, now we have to complete exercises, okay, today. Students, you know very well how to start a computer. How to start a computer. You can see starting a computer. Follow these steps to start a computer. Firstly, you have to do step 1. Switch on the power supply button. Switch on the power supply button. Then after step 2, turn on the uninterrupted power supply button. Okay. Now, then after step 3, press the power button on the CPU box. Step 3, press the power button on the CPU box. Now, fourth step is switch on the monitor. Then after switch on the monitor. Okay, so you can see step 1, switch on the power supply button. Step 2, turn on the uninterrupted power supply, that is UPS. Okay, now third is press the power button on the CPU box. Fourth is switch on the monitor button. So students, you can see in this picture how to start a computer. Okay, you can see on the screen, okay, in your notebook also. Okay, firstly you have to switch on the power button, then after turn on the uninterrupted power supply. Okay, you can see, then after starting a computer, press the power button on the CPU box. Okay, then after switch on the monitor button. You can see. Okay, and okay students, come to the next page. Let's start exercise A. Take the correct answer. First is, which of the following appears on the screen after booting? So students, here is given 4 questions, that is MCQs question. Okay, so students, you have to choose according to sentence. You have to choose correct option according to sentence. Okay, here is given 3 options. There are 3 options. Okay, now You can see first question is, which of the following appears on the screen after booting? So students, you know very well, after booting on the screen, what is appears? Okay, which of the following appears on the screen? That is called desktop. Okay, which option correct? Which option is correct? B option is correct. Okay, it is not. Okay, now second is what does UPS stand for? What does UPS stand for? So students, here is given three options, but you have to choose one correct option. Okay, first is used power stock, unwanted power supply, uninterrupted power supply. So students, which option correct will be? Third option is correct. Okay, which option is correct? Third option. Okay, that is C. Now come to the next question. Which of the following is not a part of a desktop screen? So students, you know very well, which of the following is not a part of a desktop screen? Okay, UPS. Okay, that is UPS. Which option is correct? A option is correct. Okay, fourth is, which of the following is the last step to turn on a computer? So students, here is given three options: switch on the monitor, press the main power supply button, and switch on the UPS button. So students, you have to choose one correct option. Switch on the monitor. Okay, which option is correct? Switch on the monitor. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Let me start exercise B. Fill in the blanks. Okay, here is given helping box. Here is given helping box. Okay, that is icon shutting down electronic taskbar. Okay, task bar. First is computer is an. So students, first question is, computer is an electronic machine. What is spelling of electronic? ELECTRONIC. Electronic. Okay, you can write on the blank spelling of electronic. Now second is, what is spelling of electronic? I have already told. Okay, so students, I will remind you again what is spelling of electronic. Okay, ELECTRONIC. Okay, IC, electronic. Okay, now second is, turning off a computer is known as. Turning off a computer is known as shutting down. Okay, shutting down. What is spelling of shutting down? SHUTTINGDOWN and down. SHUTTING, shutting down. Okay, shutting down. Okay, now you can write spelling of shutting down on the blank in second. Okay, now third is, taskbar is a horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. So students, you can write spelling of taskbar. What is spelling of taskbar? TASKBAR, task bar. Okay, so you can write spelling of taskbar on the blank. Okay, that is a horizontal bar present at the bottom of the desktop. Now fourth is are the small. Hello students, come to the page number 26. Okay, let me see exercise C, that is write T for true and F for false. Okay, so students, you tell me true false according to sentence. Okay, first is the process of starting a computer is called booting. The process of starting a computer is called booting. So students, this is true or false? Can you tell? Yes, this is true. Okay, the process of starting a computer is called booting, that is true. Okay, now second, the taskbar is present at the bottom of the desktop. The taskbar is present at the bottom of the desktop. So students, it is true. Okay, now third is you can directly switch off the main power supply button to shut down a computer. So students, you know very well, I have already reminded about this format of starting a computer. Okay, so students, first step you know very well. Firstly, you know very well what is the method of. Okay students, fourth is also false because I have already write there blank. Okay, so student, that's it. Bye bye, take care everyone. Complete your notebook neat and clean. Okay, thank you.